You remember Raju Rastogi from Three Idiots? He wasn't weak. He wasn't impeccable either. He was just terrified. Raju's life was very heavy. He had financial pressures, sick father, and a lot of responsibilities.
माँ की आधी सैलरी बाबा की दवाइयों में जाती है। कमों की शादी नहीं हो रही क्योंकि लड़के वालों को मारुति 800 चाहिए। पिछले 5 सालों में माँ ने एक साड़ी तक नहीं खरीदी।
ये सब ना उसके रियल प्रॉब्लम्स थे, but those problems were too big and too uncertain, and he was too scared to face them directly. So Raju did something which was very human. Instead of dealing with fear and uncertainty directly, he replaced them with the rules, rituals and safety behaviors. हर उंगली में अंगूठी पहनने लगा और एक ब्लाइंड फेथ क्रिएट कर लिया।
ये देख, इसका हाथ देख, उंगलियां कम है, अंगूठियां ज्यादा है। एक एग्जाम के लिए, एक बहन की शादी के लिए, एक जॉब के लिए। अरे फ्यूचर से इतना डरेगा तो क्या खाक जिएगा?
These were the problems he could actually control. If he followed everything correctly, लगता था कि लाइफ ना कंट्रोल में चल रही है, लगता था कि प्रोग्रेस भी हो रही है, but the truth is nothing was actually changed. So this concept is called Straw Man Fallacy. Straw manning is when you replace a deep, uncomfortable problem with a simpler and a symbolic one. You solve that and you feel there is a lot of growth which is happening without real movement. Raju didn't fight fear, he fought uncertainty with superstitions. Now, do you remember the room swapping scenes with Chatur? Raju is miserable, he's anxious in the scene, he's scared, he's constantly under pressure, but instead of addressing the real problem, what he did? He actually changed the room. Why am I living with the constant fear? That was the real question. Same college, same pressure, and same future, but a different room. Because shifting room was easier than shifting the belief. चतुर के साथ रहना became the problem itself. Problem तो solve हुआ नहीं और life वहीं की वहीं. I will tell you when the shift actually happened. Do you remember the accident scene? After the accident, something changed completely. Not his situation, but his honesty. For the very first time, Raju stops solving the fake problem. He faces the real one, fear itself. That's when the growth begins. Most of us don't avoid the efforts, we avoid the real issue. We fight the smaller battles, feel responsible, feel very productive about it, but deep down, we are just changing rooms. And once you see that, you start questioning yourself what you're actually fixing. The situation remains absolutely same. Am I solving the real problem or am I choosing a safer version? What am I actually avoiding looking at? You need to ask yourself. And to conclude the video, I would like to speak. If the problem feels easy to defeat, it might not be the real one. This happens with each and every one of us on the daily basis. What we need to do is we need to speak. We need to start looking at the real problems and to start addressing them rather than creating a straw man and defeat that. Well, this was massive value addition for us. I hope this will add a lot of value in your life too. We meet in next 5 days. Until then, it's a goodbye.